Hey you guys, it's Shundara. What is up and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel, make sure you thumbs up this video, and make sure you're following me on all my social media sites. Now, I really wanted to do this video because I realize celebrities are beauty and skincare product hoarders, and you know, it all started with Serena Williams. I did this on my stories. I think it was a couple of months ago, maybe even a year ago. I forgot when, but literally, I'm gonna just show you guys pictures. She has mounds and mounds and mounds of skincare. Drew Barrymore has mounds and mounds of skincare. I mean, they are literally decked in all sorts of skincare. And I thought I hoard a lot of skincare because you guys know I have a lot of skincare. Some of you guys want to see the collection and I'm kind of embarrassed to show y'all. So let's test and try some of celebrities' favorite skincare products in this video. So we are going to start off with cleansing the skin, and the celebrities product we are going to use is the Umbrella Ella. That song is so old. I'm just the only one I can think of. Queen herself, Rihanna, from her line Fenty Skin. So we are going to be using the Total Cleanser. Now they talking to islands, you know, they talking a different dialect. I don't know how to say it. Cleanser. Y'all, look it. Don't get mad at me, island people. Please forgive me. Just say, you know, slathering yourself in the cleanser. I know a lot of islanders watching this video is about to get mad at me. They gonna come with the sassiness, so let me just stop. But y'all know how y'all say it. I don't know, cleanser. I'm sorry, let me stop and just slather myself in Rihanna's Fenty Skin Cleanser. I haven't used this cleanser in a while. And why is it smell like Comet to me? Like it smells like literal Comet cleaner. So you know, with a hint of like coconut. It was either Harper Bazaar or Vogue, and she had her whole Fenty Skin commercial she was doing for us, claiming it was her routine. I'm just telling you guys what I saw. So she claimed for this to be her favorite cleanser in the whole entire world. And after she used her toner and slathered herself in an SPF at night, it's time to go in with a daily pill. I'm gonna just call it a chemical pill, but it's the Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Universal Daily Pills. I love these pills so much. And the celebrity who loves these is actually Naomi Campbell, the diva, Model S herself. Naomi Campbell, you better work. Cover girl, work it girl, give a twirl. Look at Rohan, dude. Have you guys seen Naomi Campbell's like vitamin routine on, I think is on her channel? I was jealous because you guys know I used to be an AKA health nut, but I still take a lot of vitamins. You guys have seen it on Instagram, like the vitamin. You guys always ask me what vitamins I take. I have nothing on Naomi Campbell vitamin game. Like, I was jealous. And you know what? Why is it important that, I know people say don't glorify celebrities. I don't. But looking at that video, there were certain things I was doing wrong with my vitamins that I actually learned from Naomi Campbell. And one of them was she takes a vitamin D, and I take vitamin D too. I take 10,000 IUs of vitamin D, but I was taking it every day. You're only supposed to take it once a week. I cannot begin to tell you guys for how many years I've been taking 10,000 IUs of vitamin D a day. So after looking at that video, doing some research, I'm like, I'm probably out here being a mess. These pills are actually some of the first products I bought to help with my hyperpigmentation before I moved on to glycolic acid, salicylic acid, lactic acid, mandelic acid, all the acids. These are so gentle. We're gonna use Caudalie Beauty Elixir, which is Katy Perry's favorite product. Katy Perry, are you watching my YouTube channel? I know you watching my YouTube channel, Katy Perry, because y'all know this is my favorite product. This is, I bought a sample, I loved it, and this is the bigger one. It's almost gone. I actually have another one somewhere over here. So I keeps the Caudalie Beauty Elixir in stock. There are so many good things about this elixir, Katy Perry. Now, I want to know, Katy Perry, Do you get this in PR or do you buy it? Let's just say, hypothetically, you buy this beautiful, amazing product. Could you imagine? Because when you have a newborn, it could be very stressful for some women. You know, just if the baby is crying, go in a closed door, just spray Caudalie on you. Inhale the peppermint and rosemary for like a minute. Just do all this and then run out and take care of the baby. Why am I acting? Katy Perry got a nanny. Y'all know, I'm acting like she like the rest of us. Y'all know she got a nanny. The next product we are going to use in our toning regimen, because you guys know I like to tone. Well, technically this is Essence now. We're using the SK2 Facial Treatment Essence, and this celebrity who loves it is Drew Barrymore. Now, Drew Barrymore was a huge actress back in the day. If y'all don't know her, she was really a huge actress. I know we're in the YouTube world of things where, you know, you could become a celebrity overnight if you're a YouTuber, TikToker, or Instagram. But back in the day, you had to grind it out. And Drew Barry was grinding it out since childhood. Now we don't see her on the big screens no more, but you know where you can find Drew Barrymore? On Instagram, cutting up, honey. I know for a fact Drew Barrymore got this in PR, because every time I turn around, some of the skincare brands I be following be like, oh my God, Drew Barry loved our product. So 9 out of 10, she got it in PR. Mind you, I can't get PR to save my life. But go ahead and give Drew Barrymore PR. I know she got 1 million followers, but I actually reviewed the product. So which is better? Drew Barrymore, who just says, oh, I use this product and I love it, or me, who actually reviewed the product? Drew Barrymore, who says she used the product. She don't have to use her drops sparingly. She probably let it fall all down on the floor and be like, ooh, my bad. She got kids. She probably let them knock it off and don't get mad. Ooh, it's okay. And me and you, we gotta struggle to get our little SK2. Scarlett Johansson, are you watching my videos? I know you watching my videos, because I was the first one to say how much I love the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum. So when I seen that Scarlett Johansson loved it, oh my God, she's watching. I know she's not watching my videos, but could you imagine? I would be like, ah. So now it's time to go in with the moisturizer, and we will be using Jennifer Lopez favorite moisturizer, Creme de la Mer. And I'm actually using the moisturizing soft cream because I couldn't find my mini sample of the regular La Mer. Some people got some explaining to do in this house about where my free sample of the regular La Mer went. I am mad about that. You know what? These celebrities love La Mer. You cannot take a La Mer out of their hands for nothing. I'm telling you right now, La Mer ain't going nowhere with these celebrities. The rest of these brands y'all could drag, but they love La Mer. J-Lo, I'm excited to see your skincare line. I know I'm not going to be on the PR list. So J-Lo, I'm going to say this. People want to know when you going to give Ashanti her credit for all the songs and the background dances she did for you. The people want to know, J-Lo, when is Ashanti getting her credit? I'm just joking. I'm just joking. Calm down. But please someday, J-Lo, at least do a collaboration with Ashanti. We want to see it. Y'all remake everything else. Y'all might as well remake a song. You know, I love some of your songs. So remake a song with Ashanti, J-Lo. Side note, I think Netflix remade Selena. I want to say this. J-Lo has Selena. Why are y'all remaking Selena? That was J-Lo. Let her keep Selena. I am so sick of the remakes. Y'all need to go back into the 70s. Netflix and Amazon, stop being cheap. Who are on the boards of these companies where we are getting like early 90s, early 2000 remakes, when there are so many gems from the 70s y'all could remake and the graphics are so much better? I really want Knight Rider, or is it Knight Rider or Knight Strider? I used to call it Knight Strider, and then, you know, people told me no, it's Knight Rider. I love that show. Why can't y'all remake that show? There are so many shows. Y'all won't remake Back to the Future, but y'all remake everything. E.T. needs a remake. We want to see E.T. in today. My skin looks really glowy. It looks really good. Oh, I look really good. I am shocked. This is an amazing routine. You guys, I have a breakout here, but I had that before. The routine. Okay, you guys, so now we're gonna calculate all the celebrities' favorite skincare products and get the total together. This is just the products. I didn't add tax to it. I just want to let you guys know. With that being said, we're gonna start off with Rihanna's favorite cleanser, which is the Fenty Skin Cleanser. That will run you $25. Then you have the Inky List Hyaluronic Acid Serum that Scarlett Johansson loves so much, which is $7.99. Now we'll talk about Dr. Dennis Gross Alpha Beta Pills, which a whole packet is $88, but however, you could get them in different samples and sets. I do want to mention that. That's Naomi Campbell's favorite product. The next product we're going to talk about is La Mer Creme de la Mer, the moisturizing soft cream. The regular one is $340, but I use the sample, which is $95, and I just want to say this, that sample will last you a long time if you aren't using it every day. So let's say you use it about maybe once a week, depending on how you use it. You may not be using as much as me. It will last you a long time. I do want to mention that. So the sample will run you $95. Katy Perry's Beauty Elixir, I do have the large one. That will run you $50. I may be off a little bit. It may be $38, but last time I bought it, I think I bought it for $50, so I'm gonna just say $50. And that's Caudalie Beauty Elixir. I said Katy Perry's Beauty Elixir. It's Caudalie Beauty Elixir, and Katy Perry loves it. I know this is out of order. I'm sorry, but you know. That's how I have it down on the paper. I'm backwards, you guys. The next one is Drew Barrymore's SK2 Facial Treatment Essence. I put $100 down. I do want to say, and that's because I bought the kit, and I urge you, if you do want to try SK2 and you cannot afford just the whole bottle, get the kit. You get so many goodies with it. You get 3 goodies. You'll get either a cream, which I wish I would have got, but at Sephora, you're limited. However, if you order online, you could get the kit and you'll get any type. You could get a mask, a cream, or you could get the facial lotion. But at Sephora, you just get the facial treatment lotion, the mask, and SK2. So girl, get you the kit. And that the kit will run you $100. With that being said, the whole total will run you $365.99 to get glammed like a celebrity. And my skin feels really good. I mean, it just feels really nice, like amazing. With that being said, you guys, I want to thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. What are your favorite celebrity skincare products that you try, that you love? Let me know all your thoughts in the comments down below. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in our next video. Bye, you guys. Mwah.